Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, I'm going to open up another curated bead box. This is a $20 monthly subscription, and I have a coupon code for you to get 35% off your first box. Use code AGERM35. I'm going to put the link to the website where you can get this box and the coupon code down there below in the description bar. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, down below the video you will see more in bold letters. Click that and the description bar will expand and you will see the link there and the coupon code, alright? So this time when I opened the box, there was this packet of seeds in it. It says introducing Dollar Heirloom vegetable and flower seeds in $1 packs from the team behind Dollar Bead and Curated Bead box. 25% off your first order at dollarheirloom.com with code BEAD2SEED, that's funny, through 9/31, so September 31st. Wildflowers is the seeds, dollarheirloom.com. I gotta show this to my mom. She collects seeds. She has a garden and all that. That's cool. I think that's cool. Alright, so let's check this out. So the theme is Berry Patch, and oh my gosh, what a perfect name for these colors. This is so pretty. I love the dark red and purple together. And it looks like maybe blue. Yeah, there's blue here. So I've gotten 2 of these connectors before in the yellow, and we are getting 6 of them in this box. That is insane. These connectors are awesome. Alrighty, and again, I always find more stuff in the box that I don't see in the picture. Alright, I do appreciate the art that they do in the box. I think that's cool. The details, I just wish that they put the month on the box. And in case you're new to this box, right here are the names of everything in the box. Here are codes, so if you want to, you can go to their website and reorder at dollarbead.com using our model numbers right there. So you put those in and the beads will pop up, or findings, or whatever. Okay, oh, I need to close that. Why didn't I do that? Close the box. Okay. Okay. Whoa! I love these. These are so pretty. This is the spray bead. I don't think I've ever seen it in purple. That's really pretty. Oh my gosh. This is so cool. Wow. Oh my gosh. Which one's prettier? I like both. There's a blue one too, right? Okay, dump it out. There's the blue. Oh my gosh, look at this strand. This looks like a check bead strand. There's a check bead strand that is fuchsia pink, dark pink like this with blue. It's really pretty, and this is what it's making me think of. Okay. Here's the baggies. There's a purple flower, blue, red. Gosh. They're so cool. That's gorgeous. This looks fuchsia to me. That's pretty. That's a gorgeous shade right there. Okay, that's 10. This is 10. 10. These are pretty. Okay, this is 8. I love that one. The matte one is crazy awesome. That's 8. This is 8. This is 6. They gave us gemstones. Yeah, that's 6. And then there's these awesome pressed glass beads. I think so. Oh my gosh, wait till you guys see these. Those are going to be amazing. And then we have a mix of beads. There's seed beads in there. 6 of those. That's cool. And these here are gemstones. Looks like crackled agate. Very cool. Okay. To the list. Number 1. There's 3 10mm strands, by the way. 10mm purple glass pearl bead. So that is this one. These are beautiful. This is a dark purple. I don't think I have it this dark in my stash. I think mine are light, like lavender purples. That's pretty. Again, this is 10mm. It's almost like metallic looking. And whoa, those are gorgeous. What does this color look like to you? I think it looks more pink than red. It's like a dark fuchsia. Those are gorgeous. Okay, 10mm light red crackle glass bead. They're calling it light red. It's so pretty. Gorgeous color. You know, it looks better in person than it does on here. It just looks like it's red. I hope it's showing up. It is like a raspberry color. That's how I would describe it, as like raspberry. It's like a pink red. It is so pretty. The next one is 10mm Starry Sky Alabaster. I dropped it and then I looked away. Abstract glass bead. This is a 6-inch string. These are 8 inches. Those two. Did I say alabaster? That's abstract. Starry Sky Abstract glass bead. I don't know anymore. Is this purple? It is. It's purple with metallic pink, blue, and I want to say purple, but that just could be the pink and blue going over top of each other. These are cool. Those are neat. Okay, after that, 8mm purple blossom spray glass bead, 10 inches. That's this one. This is gorgeous. This purple is so nice. It actually looks like amethyst. Look at that. It's kind of bright, isn't it? That's a beautiful shade. Okay, I cannot wait to get to the two-tone one. 8mm Stars and Stripes Alabaster. I said it again. Abstract glass bead. 10-inch string. So, there's 3 8mm beads. And all of them are 10 inches long. So this one is going to be Stars and Striped Abstract Glass Bead. Yeah. So the abstract ones have these paint stripes on them. Again, this is such a pretty shade. This looks pink. This is the same exact shade. I know they said it's light red, but it's like a raspberry pink fuchsia color to me. Man, I hope you get this box and see the color in person. It is amazing. It does not look red to me. It's like a berry pink fuchsia. Raspberry. Okay, that is so pretty. I didn't even notice this strand. Yeah. Okay, after that is 8mm red and blue crackle frosted duo bead. Again, 10 inches. So the 8mm strands are 10 inches. It's so pretty. This is so gorgeous. Again, this one does not look red to me. It looks like it's a pink color, a dark pink, a dark fuchsia. So all 3 of these, I am not seeing red. I am seeing dark fuchsia pink. Beautiful. No, this is definitely red. 6mm red glass pearl bead, 16-inch string. So it seems like the 6mm are always 16 inches. This is definitely red. 100% red. But this looks pink to me. It sure does make my skin look pale. Okay, after that, approximate 1 ounce berries designer glass bead mix. That's probably going to be this. Approximate 1 ounce 10mm red pressed glass beads. Yeah, they're pressed glass. So like check almost. Okay, I got my little tray here. Oh my gosh, there's a lot of different ones in here. There's multiple seed bead colors. 3 different seed bead colors. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to take out the big beads first. So we have crackled purple, dark purple. Those are pretty. There's the abstract bead, blue and purple with silver stripes. Here's more of the crackle. So I have 5 of those. There's matte black. Yeah, 6mm rounds per second there. I had one that looked like it was a teardrop, but I think the hole was just at a bad angle. I love those. I love matte black beads. This is another like abstract bead. It's a rondelle shape though. Okay. We have 6mm red rounds that are again that really pretty berry looking red color. This is more red than pink. But those are beautiful color. Okay. We got these awesome peanut beads that I'm obsessed with in this box. We've been getting these a lot in different colors. I love them. I think they are pressed glass. They aren't painted. The color's all the way through the bead. There's also purple. And then there is blue, purple, and red 6O seed beads, as you could see. So it's a neat mix. Alright, and after that was this 10mm red pressed glass beads. Wow. These are marbled. I don't know if you could see it, but there's different like shades of red. There's bright red, there's dark red. See the marbling in the bead? They're really awesome. Yeah, I would rebuy these. They're really cool. Look at the marbling in that one. I hope you could see it. They're really darn cool. Oh, that one is really neat. Like each one is different. There's different marbling in each bead. And again, these are solid red. These are not painted. The coating, there is no coating. The red is all the way through the bead. But those are really beautiful. Wait a second. These are drops. Yeah. So if you look through the hole, do you see that? These aren't, they're round, but the hole's not through the center of the bead. The hole's through the side of the bead. Yeah, they're drops. Oh my gosh, these are so cool. So there's check glass beads that are round like this with a side hole. Yeah. See that? I actually made a ring with these one time in the 6mm size. That's cool. There's a ton of beads in here. Did it say how many there was? I don't remember. No, it doesn't. It just says 1 ounce. That's cool. Okay. Next thing is 12mm amethyst gemstone bead. 6 beads. What's this here? Oh, these are cute. Crackle beads. Gemstone crackle beads. That one's really dark. Yeah, it's got a funny hole. Okay, and we still have the connector things. So after that it says 30 by 24mm red flower silver metal link, 2 links. And then it goes on to repeat that over and over again. It's just that the color changes from red, blue, purple. So let's open these up. Like I said, I've gotten these before in yellow. and the yellow looked gold on top of the silver. And they are awesome. They're thick, they're heavy, and I do believe this is enameling. They're beautiful. So you can use these several different ways. You can use them in a necklace for a multi-strand, triple strand necklace, right? And you would want these on the front of your neck, right? And then have the strands coming down, which this would be a perfect box to do a design like that because of all the beads they have here for us. You can also use these in a bracelet, for a triple strand bracelet. You can use these in earrings. Yeah, you can use them for pretty much anything, alright? So there's the red one. Here it is in blue. Oh my gosh, it's so cool. And look at how thick that bail is. It's a really nice ring. You can put cording through there with a lark's head knot. Totally. You can totally do that. I think the red and purple ones are my favorite, and I'm usually like a blue person. Oh, it's so cute. That's really dark purple. I wonder if they have this in pink. That would be awesome in pink. So it says on the side, if you were to reorder these, it says that these are new items. See? Alright, so there's one thing left, and that is this here. This is the Findings Kit. In case you're new to this, it comes with every curated bead box. Every single curated bead box you get, it comes with this Findings Kit, and it's everything you need to make jewelry. You just need some pliers. So round nose pliers, chain nose pliers, wire cutter. This is memory wire for bracelets, but I've also used this to make earrings. I like to get a whole circle, cut it in half, and then I make a loop on one end, and then I feed the one end of the wire through the loop. I make a second loop. I have a hoop earring, and I put beads on it, of course. Okay, there's elastic cord, there's ear wires, there's crimp beads, and you can also use these as beads. You know, they're for crimping, but you can pretend that they're also beads. And this is lobster claw clasp, 6mm jump rings, and they are thick gauge. They're like 20 gauge. Memory wire and head pins. And they're thick gauge head pins with large heads because a lot of these beads here have large holes. Alright? So this is it. What a cute color combo. I love the berry patch. It's super cute. I would never think to put something like this together. It's super adorable. So this is it. I'm going to link this box down there below in the description bar along with the coupon code. Please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. Make sure you click the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos, and follow me on my social media sites. I'm on Instagram, Pinterest, and X. Thanks for watching.